What's up, everyone? What if someone created this biggest or largest choose your own adventure experience in real life? So you see, taste, touch, smell, feel, hear, you experience the adventure in real life. Well, if somebody built that, would you play it? I think so. So I've actually built that. I've been working on it for the last couple of years, the details. So here's what I look at. So you build it on the blockchain, sort of. So what if I use the NFT technology? You take the traits and you actually use them for experiences. So that's what I've done. So I have the experiences planned out. Each NFT has 3 experiences that are all separate, their own track. Each of those NFTs fall under one of 85 themes. Whatever theme you choose, that's the experience tracks you get. Sound cool? I'll give more.